Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create TikTok editing using templates and CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut and I'm going to go to the templates menu. Here we'll be able to get a bunch of templates in CapCut and you can choose the template that you like. For instance, I'm just going to create August dump photo. So I'm going to choose this one. And we just need to upload our photo to the template. I'm going to click on use template and I'm going to pick random photo from my gallery. I'm just going to choose this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then this one as well. Then we can click on next and the video will be created automatically, as you can see guys. And then you can change the music if you want. You just need to click on audio and then choose the music you want to add to your video. And then once you're done, you can click on export. And then I'm going to choose export without watermark. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the TikTok video editing has been created. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create TikTok editing using template in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.